Hi Filmators. Today, we're going to explore the time-saving magic of multi-selection in the Filma app. You know how tedious it can be to apply operations like duration, speed, transitions, copy adjustments, or duplications one by one on multiple clips. Well, Filma's got your back with its multi-selection feature, and we're about to dive into how it works. Let's start with a demo example. Open up a project in Filma with several clips on a video track. To begin using multi-selection, tap on one of the clips first. Now, look for the Multi option in the bottom contextual bar and tap on it. This will bring up the multi-selection options. With multi-selection activated, you can simply tap on additional clips to add them to your selection. But if you have a bunch of clips to select, don't worry. Use the All Track option to select all the clips on the current track. Alright, now we're ready to perform some operations on our selected clips. Depending on the type of clip, you'll see different options, such as copy, edit duration, apply transition, paste adjustments, or change speed. For this example, let's change the speed of the selected clips. We want to apply a fast motion effect to all of our clips. Just like that, it's done. Think about how much time you've saved. Imagine needing to apply speed adjustments to 100 individual clips. The multi-selection tool is here to save the day and give you more time to focus on your creative process. But wait, there's a bonus. You can also select multiple clips from a project, open a new project or an existing one, and paste the segments there. That's right, Filma projects can interact with each other, making it super easy to move clips between projects. So, that's it for today's tutorial on the multi-selection feature in the Filma app. As you can see, it's a powerful tool that can save you tons of time and effort when working with multiple clips. Don't forget to give it a try the next time you're editing with Filma. See you in the next video and happy editing!